We're going to talk about L'Hopital's rule, which is a method that can be used to evaluate limits. It can be used to evaluate limits of the form, the limit as x approaches c of f of x over g of x. But it can only be used under certain conditions. The conditions that apply to L'Hopital's rule are the following. Either the limit as x approaches c of f of x must be equal to the limit as x approaches c of g of x, which is equal to plus or minus infinity. The limits must be equal to a form of infinity. Or equal to 0. So what you do when you are applying L'Hopital's rule is you plug the value of c into f of x and into g of x. And if you get a form of infinity over a form of infinity, or 0 over 0, then L'Hopital's rule can be applied. So once you've done that, you know that you can apply L'Hopital's rule. And in order to apply L'Hopital's rule, the rule states that this limit under these conditions is equal to the limit as x approaches c of f prime of x over g prime of x. In other words, if plugging in the value of x yields a form of infinity over a form of infinity, or 0 over 0, then you can differentiate the numerator and the denominator and then apply the limit. And that is how you can evaluate the limit. So this is essentially what L'Hopital's rule states.